Hey everybody! This lesson I'm going to show you how to make a torus. But what is a torus exactly, you might ask? Well, a torus is a three-dimensional ring-like object that looks exactly like a donut. It is created using the all-caps torus keyword, which takes in two parameters, the first one for the inner radius and the second one for the outer radius of the torus. So for our first example, let's make a torus with an inner radius of 2 and an outer radius of 3, and let's name it my torus. Then let's display it using the show command and run our program. And here is our first torus. Looks kind of like a donut, doesn't it? So let's look at it really quickly with the two-dimensional view off of the view menu down here. Right here we can see a cross-section of the torus through the XY plane. This looks exactly the same as if we were to have created a ring using the ring command in the parameters 2 and 3, or as if we got a two-dimensional view of a tube created with the parameters 2 and 3. This view shows us where our inner and outer radii are on the XY plane. Let's switch our view back. So remember how I said that a torus looks like a donut? This is so true, in fact, that you can actually use the all-caps command donut to make a torus. So let's turn our object, my torus, into a torus that's made with the donut command. And let's change its dimensions to an inner radius of 1 and an outer radius of 2, so it even looks a bit more like a donut. And here is our torus donut. An important thing to notice about toruses is that, like spheres, their surfaces are not completely smooth. You can see all these little faces here, these flat surfaces. They're made up of many smaller faces, even more so than spheres, so they take even longer to create and display than spheres do. So in conclusion, know that a torus is a three-dimensional, rounded, ring shape that looks like a donut. It takes two parameters, one for the inner radius and one for the outer radius. It can be made with the torus command or with the donut command. And remember that due to the many faces that must be made to create the smooth surface of the torus, your programs may take more time than usual to run if they have toruses in them.